Okay, so while I was on vacation for 2 weeks, a few parts came in, and we're going to get these on, hopefully, on this poor thing that's been sitting here waiting for me. My Big Bear, which had some issues with the throttle cable, not allowing the slides to go back down inside the carburetors because it was the wrong throttle cable. So we're going to hopefully work some magic on this today. I guess there's nothing I can do about that. I could bend it, this taillight bracket. There's a different one for the Big Bear than there is for the Catalina. So I got the wrong one here. But we'll work around it somehow. So let's get to work. These came from, I forget what vendor I got them from, but they're made by Too Fast Moto. These are supposedly the right ones. They have 3 places for 3 cables to connect downstream and 1 upstream. You can also buy this from Too Fast Moto, and I bought 2 of these. I have a Catalina that I'm working on, as well as the Big Bear here, and I ordered a couple of these a long time ago from China someplace, so we're ready with those, and we'll get to work on it. Alright, so the problem was that the slides couldn't go all the way to the bottom, and this is one of the cables that I was using. This was supposed to work for the YDS3, but it only has room for 2 downstream cables. Well, not only that, as you can see, this one is shorter, but the amount of cable coming out of the end here, and here, is considerably different. This wouldn't allow the slides to go all the way down. So, I'm hoping when I hook this one up, we should be in good shape. Okay, so we got this piece and this piece. They're all nicely shined up. So we have this piece as well. And I'm not sure if it's the original or not, but it's one I have around here. So we're going to clean it up. And looks like it's got some use on it. We'll put everything together, hopefully, with this cable and this, and go from there. All right, now the idea is to get all 3 of these hooked in together with this one. So we will start with these 2, then hopefully we can hold that. This, now with this system, what they've done is allowed, this is going to be like, there's 2 in there. So now, what we need to do, oops, that was a good idea, but I'm not sure it's going to work. I need to try and get this Gorilla Tape off of here while I'm holding all 4 of these in their proper slots. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. Now I need to poke this down this barrel. So that none of these can come out of their slots. And then, hopefully, let me see if I can pull these. I can get this on. That's as far down as it's going to go. So I need to get that. Is that hooked up? Yeah. Wow, that don't even fit. There's no way. How the hell? Oh, here we go. I'm not bothering you, don't bother me. All right, so that goes in there. And then we try and hook all these. Well, there it goes again. I don't have enough hands. All right, let's go back to the way we did it here. We'll put those in there. All of them sticking through. We'll take that piece of tape we had. What did I do with it? Threw it on the ground. I don't know if it's still sticky or not. Let's see. It's Gorilla Tape. It probably is. All right. Now they're all sticking through. Did we pick up the black thing? Yes. Okay. And we put this in. It goes there. That goes there. That one goes there. And that. Come on. Don't do that. All right, this goes here. This goes here. This goes here. I got two of them. That goes there. Now if we can get the whole thing down inside the tube. That holds them all in place. Okay. And we get that on. And they should all be good. Whew. Now, what we have to do is get these going to their respective carburetors. This one, to this carburetor, okay, well, that ain't gonna work because I don't have the ring on it. But and this one, huh? Now that is too long. That's what I'm thinking. All right, let's put these on again. There we go. All right. Let's see. This is what's going to be a problem. Seems okay. We got 3 cables here. This is the original, this one, and it's kind of jammed up inside. It doesn't move freely. I tried lubricating it, and it still doesn't work. This is a cable off a different bike, I think. This is the one that I got from Too Fast Moto that was supposed to be for this bike. But as you can see, while a difference in the cable length of an inch or two doesn't make much difference, this difference, this extended cable here, does make a difference. I need it to be shorter. Now, I can either try to make this match, right about there. If I move this down, I think what I need is a piece of copper that I can solder onto the end of here that's just the right size. I don't have any such thing.